like to welcome you back to Spanking on the Trail. What we're going to be doing today is making up a rapid deployment ridgeline utilising 7 metres of paracord, 2 Nite Ize S carabiners and 2 lengths of butcher cord about 40 centimetres long. What we're going to start is creating an over and knot at one end. These will be used to create our prosthetic loops. So what we want to do now is take one end of our paracord with an overhand loop, but we're creating a long tail. There's our overhand knot with a long tail. All we're going to do now is we're going to create prosthetic loops by taking our butcher cord. All we want to do here is take it up. What we're going to do is now go through 3 times. Two. 3. So we'll create our tarp slip knot. You can move up and down the line, but when it's on tension, it bites into the paracord. We'll do it one more time with other length. One. 2. 3. Now we have our 2 prosthetic loops. Now we take our S carabiner, clip it onto one end, creating our S carabiner at one end. What we want to do then now is take our second S carabiner, clipping into the line, just as such. That's our redeployment line with 2 Nite Ize S carabiners with our 2 prosthetic loops. Remember folks, there are no barriers, just stepping stones to higher ground. Spanky out.